Welcome to the Storm Bay 45, the perfect boat for enjoying life on the water. With the main deck all on one level and easy access from the cockpit to the galley and the helm station, this boat's easy to get around and easy to maneuver. She's got a very well laid out foredeck, making for easy anchoring and docking, and fantastic high-level bulwarks, making for great safety when underway at sea. She's got both bow and stern thrusters, making maneuvering a dream. With two comfortable, well-equipped cabins and a drop-down berth in the saloon, she's the perfect boat for living on board or weekends away with friends and family. Join me as we make our way through the boat.